So what's up guys, Faber here and welcome to Shades of Tech. If you are obsessed with cable management like I am, today I want to show you a product that might be helpful to you since it's a neat and elegant solution for the cable problem. It's a cable management box and it's available on both Amazon USA and Europe. I'll leave the link to that in the description. I want to thank John from Beans and Things for sending me one for testing out, and this is my experience. There are many things I like about this cable manager. First, the size. You might be fooled by perspective, but this thing is pretty big. It's supposed to contain a really large power strip for all kind of pro users. The dimensions are really huge and I was surprised because I imagined it smaller. The principle is simple. It's a box with a cover on the top. It has two holes on the sides to pass through all kind of cables. The execution is well done. The cover is removable and has some really nice details like the particular shape that helps you position your devices in charge, and the rubber details and protection in the holes we are supposed to pass the cables. There is also a rubber cable manager included, which is a really nice touch. You can use it as you prefer in many ways, but I'm really happy that it was included. I wouldn't say this product is a premium build quality, because plastic is plastic, but it's resilient enough to combine aesthetic and practice. I like the white color, even though I would have appreciated a matte black solution to match my custom painted iMac. Now let's move to what it does. It basically can contain a big power strip. It hides the cables and helps you manage and clean up all the cable mess you probably have going on right now. You just have to insert the power strip, connect all the power bricks and charging devices and pass through the cover all the cables. I personally use the cable manager to keep in place the cables I use the most, so they are always ready to go. You can use this product in many situations. For example, on your desk, or under your desk, or beside your bed. It's up to you. I'm using it right now as a night table because my charging station 2.0 is still in progress and because it's really simple and just works for me for what I need. But tell me in the comment section where you would use it if I sent you one. I personally love the fact that I can use it to charge my MacBook without keeping it on the floor. Let's talk about the price. It's $19.99 and it's 17 euros. I think it's legit because this product, first, is really big, and second, solves your problem in a very short time. It's easy to use and ready to go. Personally, I will give a few bucks less, but you can always find it on sale on Amazon. So that's all for now. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to go iPhone 10 on the subscribe button. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!